and the soul with the great knowledge that music heals. World-renowned Robert Nesta Marley, a.k.a. Bob Marley, endured a multitude of hardships in the ghetto slums of Jamaica, but made a world of difference through music. Trenchtown Rock, a brilliant song by Bob Marley and the Wailers, is one of many Marley's everlasting testaments. One good thing about music, when it hits, you feel no pain. It's an ever so resonant message that rings true like steeple bells. It goes to show that music therapy is not some nutty homeopathic remedy that has no place in our world of cold hard facts. It is actually an established health profession. The therapy of music for the heartsick, to the hopeful mother in the throes of breast cancer, or anyone else in between, is an undeniable truth that cannot be dismissed in the medical world. This other realm of consciousness that music brings can be measured to some extent, believe it or not, in relation to its physiological effects. The truth is in the pudding, as many in the medical world would agree. According to Kathy J. Kemper, MD, MPH, and Susan D. Downhart, PhD, in an article, Music is Therapy, they attest that playing music for patients during or after surgery helps reduce pain and use of morphine and other sedatives, anxiolytics, and analgesics. A series of 17 vascular and thoracic surgery patients who listened to live heart music showed substantially decreased pain levels after the music session. The healing of music reaches well beyond the borders and restrictions that we have so often put on remedies that may not seem to adhere to our well-established laws of medicine and science. This mode of therapy holds a promise that music has held for ages. Besides the quantifiable and qualitative aspects of therapy, we must open our ears to personal experience. Mother of a child with autism, Tamara Norris, gives her personal story through the American Music Therapy Association, or AMTA. Music has flown out, immersing restless feelings, calming William, minimizing his hesitation. Then it ebbed and he met the eyes of a therapist. With the guidance of Ronna Kaplan and other music therapists, William has developed, encouraged to tune his fine and gross motor skills. While learning to play instruments, William also learned his life skills. Music became the soundtrack of his life. The genuine words of a mother looking out for her child paints an indubitable picture of the positive anticipation that music bears. Besides the words of a mother, the words of an established association like AMTA are to be taken into heavy consideration. In the words of AMTA, music therapy has been shown to be an efficacious and valid treatment option for medical patients with a variety of diagnoses. Research results and clinical experiences attest to the viability of music therapy even in those patient-resistant to other treatment approaches. Music is a form of sensory stimulation which provokes responses due to the familiarity, predictability, and feelings of security associated with it. The enduring power of music is a therapy that is not dismissed, yet one must remember that it is not so cut and dry. On some level, it is administered, recorded, and tabulated to be bound in some medical book or the World Wide Web forever. But music therapy and music in general at that is much, much more. Robert Nesta Marley understood this form of healing well and echoed it throughout the world with his messages and vibrations of love. Music speaks volumes that our mortal words can never tell, and only the soul will ever truly know. As certain as tomorrow will come, I know that all the souls in this room and outside that classroom window know of that unspeakable ecstasy.